Hey there, thanks for clicking on the video. I wanted to have my Bambu Lab A1 Mini review up today, but Bambu Lab didn't ship the smooth PEI plate or the replacement nozzles that I ordered with the Mega Pack. So I'm holding off on that review until I can get that and actually do a full review on that. But a bigger problem with the X1 Carbon has came up today. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, I'll show you. It started doing this. I've got a calibration going right now, trying to see if that works. But now, nothing sticks to the plate. No matter what I do, no matter what plate I use, this is all I get. I have not had a problem like this in about 2 months since I've actually had the printer. I know it says you can use glue, but that's not supposed to be for adhesion. I'm wondering if my bed is not heating up enough. That's the only thing I can really think of at this point that would make sense of why it's not sticking. But we'll see here if it actually goes and does better when it changes filament and tries to calibrate in a different spot of the bed. But I'm stumped. Only thing I've done is use PETG, which is what this is, instead of PLA. I actually noticed that my textured PEI plate for the X1C is warped, so I've got spools sitting on it. Hopefully gonna try and flatten that out a little bit, but I'm not optimistic about the results of that. Something tells me that's not gonna fix anything, but can't rely on Bambu Lab to quickly help out with anything. So there's the A1 plugging away. No issues with it in a week. It's done everything I've asked it to. Gonna have a full review on that eventually, but this has been aggravating to say the least. I don't know why this printer decided today that it was gonna start doing shit like this, but here we are. Some of that stuck. Not enough to be useful. That's normally as far as it goes before it starts to fail. And there it is. Even the green filament does the same thing. Complete disaster. Again, it's PETG. Never had this issue with PLA before. Only recently changed everything over to PETG. And this is just trying to do a calibration. So it knows it's PETG on Bambu Studio. But it looks like it's just gooping up down there on the hot end now that I look. I don't know. Somebody help. I don't know enough about this to know what's going on here, but I know enough to know it ain't good. So, let me know in the comments what you think is going on. Like I said, I'll have a full review of the trusty old A1 Mini over there that I've fingers crossed, had it working pretty good for me so far. Anyway, like this, let me know in the comments. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. See you in the next one.